This is Divya Bharti, trainer from AKS Training Cum Placements. And now I am going to discuss about HTML5. The topic is lists. Can I share the screen? Okay. Today our topic is ordered and unordered lists. Okay. Lists are of three types: ordered list, unordered list, and description list. Okay. Inside the list, we can keep text, images, link, line breaks, etc. HTML unordered list. It is unordered list is created by UL tag. By opening in all HTML tags, we are opening the tags and we are closing the tags by backslash. So here also we will open with UL tag in unordered list and we will close with /UL. We will in each item starts with LI. In unordered list, it will mark with bullets. Okay. If you have any doubts in the middle of the class, can you ask me?
Okay.
This is the program. This is the program. This is the doc type. HTML is the declaration of the document. And this is the language we are writing, English. And this is the header section. In the header section, we will write the title. It will display on the browser. Okay. And this is the body tag. In the header section also, we have opened the tag with starting tag and we have closed the ending tag with backslash. Same for the title tag also, we have used starting tag and ending tag. In the body tag, we are opening the body tag and we are also closing the body tag. We are writing the instructions in the body tag. Here H2 means it is a heading tags. It writes the text in bold letters like that. Headings. Important headings will be written in H1 to H6. H1 is the most important letter and H6 is the least important letters. And this is the unordered list. We have opened that unordered list with UL. And this is the list of items we should write in the unordered list. And this is the HR. HR tag is horizontal line. It will give the horizontal line. This has no ending tag. It is only one tag, that is HR. And here we are creating unordered list with nested. We are creating for chocolate cake list. In the chocolate cake, there are the types of lists: chocolate velvet cake, chocolate lava cake. This is a heading and we are writing the nested unordered list here. So the output looks like this. This is the HTML unordered list and we have created here 3 lists: chocolate, black forest cake and pineapple cake. Okay, that 3 they have given. This is unordered list, so it is showing here bullets. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
Okay.
After that, we should close the body tag and HTML tag. Here we have given horizontal line. So in the output, there is a horizontal line between the unordered list and nested ordered list. Nested means this is the chocolate cake, and in the chocolate cake, the types of cakes are available: chocolate velvet cake, chocolate lava cake, like that. That is the nested unordered list. And here, by using CSS3, we can change the style. Using the style attribute, this is the style. The opening with style tag and closing back ending tag with /style. Okay, here list style type will be square. We are giving square. This style tag is CSS3. We are including CSS cascading style sheets in HTML document. So this list will be coming with squares. Can you see here the output? The squares are there because we have given style type equal to square. This unordered list type will be square. Okay. This is an ordered list. In ordered list, we are creating with OL tag. And each item in the OL tag will be list item will be start with LI. Unordered lists are used for to order the list. Very important thing. It should be in order. Okay, so that we are marking that is numbers. Numbers, and the type will be so many types, numbers, alphabets, and Roman numbers, and all the things. Here we will see one of the example for that. Here we are creating ordered list. This seat belt, start car engine, like this. We are creating the ordered list. This output will be shown as like this 1, 2, 3. Automatically ordered list will take numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. In nested, it will starts with again 1, 2. Okay. Here, if you want to change the numbers in ordered list, we can change by writing ordered list start equal to 10. 10 means it will start by the number 10. If you are not giving this start equal to 10, it will take from 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, can you see the output? It starts from 10. The list we have given here is mix ingredients, bake in oven for an hour, allowed to stand for 10 minutes. These 3 list items started with 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay. Today our session is completed. In this, sorry. Today, the summary of the session is, today we have learned ordered lists. Lists are of 3 types, but today we have learned only ordered list and unordered list. For ordered list, we can have numbers 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, like that in ordered format. In unordered list, there will be bullets, squares, circle, like that. It will list of items will be displayed in unordered list with squares in front of that. Okay. Finally, I am concluding that all the HTML tags should open with start tag and closed with closing tag followed by backslash. Okay, today we have completed ordered and unordered list. Tomorrow we are going to see definition list. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now our session is going to be ended.